Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an incredible video for you all. We're going to dive deep into a fitness trend that is taking the world by storm, calisthenics. In this video, I'm going to share with you all the reasons why you should absolutely consider incorporating calisthenics into your workout routine. Are you ready? Let's get started. You know what's amazing about calisthenics? It has the power to transform your body into a true powerhouse of strength. Forget about those clunky weights and expensive gym memberships. With calisthenics, all you need is your own body weight to build incredible strength, increase muscle mass, and develop a solid foundation. And the best part? You can do it anytime, anywhere. Are you tired of sticking to boring and repetitive workout routines? Well, calisthenics offers a whole new level of excitement and challenges that will push your limits in ways you've never imagined. From mastering advanced bodyweight movements like handstands and muscle-ups to testing your agility and balance, calisthenics has it all. Get ready to unlock your true potential and become a fitness superhero. One of the most fantastic benefits of calisthenics is its ability to improve your functional fitness. What does that mean? Well, it means that the exercises you perform while practicing calisthenics mimic real-life movements, making you stronger and more efficient in your everyday activities. Whether it's carrying groceries, lifting heavy objects, or simply staying active throughout your day, calisthenics will help you conquer it all. If you're looking to shed some excess pounds and get that leaner physique, calisthenics is the way to go. These bodyweight exercises will skyrocket your heart rate, boost your metabolism, and turn your body into a fat-burning furnace. And guess what? You don't need any fancy equipment or expensive gadgets. All you need is your body and the desire to push yourself to the limits. Calisthenics isn't just about improving your physical fitness. It's also about joining an amazing and supportive community. When you immerse yourself in the world of calisthenics, you'll connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion for bodyweight training. You'll inspire each other, learn from one another, and form lifelong friendships. It's truly an incredible experience. Like and subscribe for more health and fitness content.